Hi guys, and welcome back. We're going to be doing another Algebra 2 topic, but this is basically going to be more about the rate, whether it's growth or decay rate, and then accompanied by the frequency of how often it's happening and how many times we have to apply it. So we have an element with a mass of 420 grams decays by 11.8% per minute. How much of the element is remaining after 16 minutes to the nearest tenth of a gram? So our principal value is 420 grams, right? And it's decaying, so we have to do 1 minus. Now we have to convert or rewrite 11.8% as a decimal, and we're going to get 1 minus 0.118, and we have to raise it to a certain exponent. So now here's where you want to pay attention. Your denominator, right, has to be the rate of frequency. So here it's right per minute, so that means every 1 minute. So that will be here the denominator, 1. And then it's asking how much of the element is remaining after 16 minutes. So that's our time. So we write 16 minutes. Because it shows you how even though the rate is being applied per minute, they want you to find how much is remaining after 16 minutes. So now you just put this in your calculator and you're going to get around 56.3 grams. And this is your 10th place. Now, let's do the next one. A new car is purchased for $14,000 and over time depreciates by 1/2 every 5.5 years. What is the value of the car after 5 years it was purchased to the nearest $100? So, again, our starting value is 14,000 and over time it's depreciating, so it's 1 minus, and it's saying 1/2. So 1/2 is the same thing as 0.5, and then it's saying every 5.5 years. So that's the rate of frequency, how frequently it's happening. So that's going to go in our denominator. And then it's asking what is the value of the car 5 years after. So that's our t. So that's 5. So now when we put in the calculator, we're going to get $7,455, right? But it's asking to the nearest $100. So we're going to have to round from here, our hundredths place. So in our tens place we have 5, and if you remember, 5 or more raised the score. So this is actually going to end up being $7,500, because when it's nearest $100, it's implying that they want the number itself to have some sort of like hundreds in it. So like, let's say they wanted us to round 3,000. Let's say they wanted us to round 3,460, right? Or 3,462, right? The 6 raise, so what was it? I think it was 5 or more raise the score. 6 is more than 5. So this is going to end up being 3,500. Just like we had 500. So that's what I mean by nearest $100. So this would be your answer, $7,500.